It might be a spinner shark. Did you see its tail? I think it's a spinner shark or a nurse shark. You see the caudal fin? Yeah. How long the top portion is?
He's got a parasail. Looks like
oh, does
right
he?
side.
Cleaner fish? Yeah, I think it's a spinner or a nurse. The Mexicans are freaking.
What is it? I don't know.
I think it's a nurse or a spinner shark.
I think it's a nurse shark. You want to keep fighting him or you want to pull him in?
We gotta pull him in to let him go. This is so cool, Svenny. You caught a big shark.
Yeah, man. That's the biggest one yet.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I got him. Is it a hammerhead?
No. Is it?
That's like 4.5 feet.
No, it's not a hammerhead. It's a nurse shark or a spinner shark.
Hey, grab the leader, Rod.
Aw, look at him. He's cute.
It's a nurse.
Yeah, it's a nurse shark. They're so sweet. They don't hurt anybody.
Hey, hold this. Hold this and grab the thing.
You want to... They're over here! They're over here!
Aw. Okay, he's good. He's enough on the shore.
Yeah, he's too big.
No, we
How
can't
are you going
keep
to get
him.
that hook out?
Yeah, you gotta get the hook out.
Yeah.
You want to drag him up more? He's too big to eat.
Of course he is.
Yeah.
Way too big.
They're not very good.
You don't eat these kinds of sharks. They're
Oh, shit, dude.
I'm going to go to plan B.
Couple cutters? You want to take a picture with it?
All right.